ألم تر إلى الذين أوتوا نصيبا من الكتاب يؤمنون بالجبت والطاغوت ويقولون للذين كفروا هؤلاء أهدى من الذين آمنوا سبيلا.
Have you not seen those to whom a portion of the book was given? They believe in baseless superstitions and taghut, false deities, and say about the unbelievers that they are better guided than those who believe.
أولئك الذين لعنهم الله ومن يلعن الله فلن تجد له نصيرا.
Such are the ones whom Allah has cursed, and he whom Allah curses has none to come to his help.
أم لهم نصيب من الملك فإذا لا يؤتون الناس نقيرا.
Have they any share in the dominion of Allah? Had that been so, they would never have granted people even as much as a speck on a date stone.
أم يحسدون الناس على ما آتاهم الله من فضله فقد آتينا آل إبراهيم الكتاب والحكمة وآتيناهم ملكا عظيما.
Do they envy others for the bounty that Allah has bestowed upon them? Let them bear in mind that we bestowed upon the house of Abraham the book and wisdom, and we bestowed upon them a mighty dominion.
فَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ آمَنَ بِهِ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ صَدَّ عَنْهُ وَكَفَى بِجَهَنَّمَ سَعِيرًا.
Whereupon some of them believed and others turned away. As for those who turn away, hell suffices for a blaze.